Hi everyone, thank you again for tuning in once again. So spring has definitely sprung and I know that there's a heat wave that is going on across the country. So I wanted to bring you guys a very simple look where you can just look glowy and have healthy skin. And people will be asking you, how do you do it? What do you use for your skin? So if you want to see these very easy steps, then please keep watching. Okay, so now that we are up close and very personal, of course we are going to start off with our brows. Now I'm going to use my trusted handy dandy Smashbox Brow Tech to go. To conceal the brows, I'm going to use my FITME Maybelline concealer and it is in the shade 30. I'm going to conceal any dark marks on my face and also under my eyes. I'm going to use this brush just to blend everything out and make sure that it is blended seamlessly. I'm going to use this damp beauty sponge just to blend it out even more. Okay, so now that is done, I'm gonna prime my face. So I'm gonna use a product that people don't really use to prime, but back in the 1950s Marilyn Monroe used to use Vaseline as primer. So I'm going to use the Johnson's Vaseline and I'm just going to put a little bit. Obviously it's hot, so you don't want to look shiny and you don't want to sweat. So I'm just going to apply just a little bit on my hands and apply it to my face. Now I know this might be very shocking, but it actually works. It really does. And in the winter I was actually using Vaseline for my face because it was getting dry. So just use just a little bit. Actually breaking out here. I don't know what it's from because I'm not really sweating that much and I am drinking lots of water, so I don't know. But yeah, it's the things of life. What can we do? Now that I'm done with my Vaseline, I'm gonna take my Essence setting spray and just spray it all over the face. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Master Strobing stick and I'm gonna highlight the highest points of my face. So I'm using a stick because it's just much nicer to blend in and it just blends in better with your skin. and it will give you that glowy dewy finish that you're looking for. So I'm just going to take the damp beauty blend again and dab it in. So at the moment I don't have class, so we are just writing tests, and guys, it is such a struggle to study. Can I just say, like, wow. Actually should be studying because I'm writing in a few days, but because I love you guys, I want to put out a video for you. So now I'm going to use my Revlon liquid illuminator, and I'm going to apply it where I put the strobing stick. So a little goes a long way, so you don't want to put too much. And as you can see, I have a pimple, so I'm not going to highlight the pimple because then it's going to show. I'm going to use my Essence mascara, and it is in the name Lash Princess. To line my lips, I'm actually going to use my brow pencil that I use from Essence, and it is in the color 02 Brown. So I'm lining my lips because I'm going to use a nude lipstick. Now, on people of color, sometimes you can look like you are hungry if you do not line your lips before using a nude lipstick. So just take note of that. I'm actually going to use my Revlon matte lip color, and this is in the color Nude. And of course, to finish off the look, I'm going to go back in with my setting spray. And this is the final look, guys. It is very, very easy, very simple. If you just want to do something quick and you want to be out the door, this is something you can do, especially in this hot weather that we are experiencing. And the tip with this look is that you do not want to use any powder. You want it to be really fresh, glowy, dewy, and, you know, very summery, I guess, even though we are in spring. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I just want to give a subscriber shout out to Matuto Mufugeng. Thank you so much, girl. I see your comments on every one of my videos, and I know you're in my notification gang, so thank you so much. If you would like a shout out, you know what to do. Hit the red button below and click the notification bell of every time I post a video. You'll be notified, and that is it really. I love you guys. Thank you so much, and may your day be ever flawless as your makeup.